image. The only thing I noticed that the mirror image does is it flips camera 2 or the reverse camera 180 degrees. Now, it doesn't flip it vertically 180 degrees. It does it only horizontally, which I don't see the benefit of that. So for example, if I do view mode and I do camera 2 full view, here's the camera 2. It shows behind me. Now if I go to, and you notice the car's pointing to the left. Now if I go to settings and do mirror on, hard to see because it's real blurry, but here we go. Mirror set to on. The car now faces the other way. Now it would be great if it flipped it vertically because I first mounted the camera backwards, meaning upside down. So I have to go back, undo the sticker, which now probably lost some stickiness. It does come with another sticker, but I don't want to use it yet in case I want to relocate the camera later, for example, or over the winter the sticker comes off. I don't know, but I have to reattach that adhesive because I put it upside down. But anyway, so that's what mirror does. Go back, turn it to off. Car goes back to the left.